In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Hubspot. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process seamlessly, whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refresh your memory. Let's jump right in. To get started first, make your way over to the HubSpot homepage. This is the main portal for accessing all the tools and features HubSpot offers for your business needs. Once you're there, you'll spot the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials if you haven't done so already. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the central hub for all your ongoing operations. Now direct your attention to the main navigation bar where you'll see a section labeled CRM. This is a powerful tool within HubSpot that manages your customer relationships effectively, storing all your customer information and interactions in one place. Click on CRM to open up its options. Within CRM, find and select contacts. This section houses important details about all your contacts and is essential for managing your outreach activities, email campaigns, and more. Once inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's packed with information that could be invaluable for your business strategies. Now, as we move closer to exporting your data, find the export option, which should be visible on the toolbar. Selecting this brings you to the file export options. It's a seamless process aimed at allowing you to take your contact data outside of HubSpot for further analysis or backup. Here, you will be prompted to choose your file format. Typically, HubSpot offers formats like CSV, XLSX, and others, depending on your business needs and software preferences. For our tutorial, we'll choose XLSX as it is a popular format compatible with various programs like Microsoft Excel, offering you flexibility in handling your data. With your file format selected, you'll see the final export button. Clicking this confirms your choices and initiates the download process. Depending on the size of your data set, this can take a few moments. Once completed, your data will be neatly packaged in the selected format, ready for use. Congratulations, you've successfully exported your data from HubSpot. This skill is particularly useful for businesses that rely heavily on data-driven decision-making. Remember, exporting data regularly not only helps maintain backups, but also allows for comprehensive reporting and analysis outside the HubSpot environment. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to maximize your HubSpot experience. Happy exporting!